Most vehicle films, such as PPF and window films, require a slip solution to ensure clean adhesion. STEK offers two types of slip solutions, and today, we will discuss these products: slip tack and installation gel. Slip tack is an economical product that requires only a small amount to be mixed with water for use. The dilution ratio can be adjusted from the basic 100:1 to a maximum of 500:1. As the concentration of slip tack increases, it becomes slipperier. It serves the same role as Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo used in many install shops but requires less product, offering a safer and more convenient application. Installation gel is designed for more professional applications. Unlike slip tack, it has viscosity, preventing the solution from running off easily on steep surfaces like vehicle side panels. It is typically mixed at a 3:7 ratio but can be adjusted up to 7:3. Adjust the ratio based on the vehicle's design. Its high viscosity leaves more solution behind, allowing for precise control over water displacement during film installation. As you've seen, installation gel allows the slip solution to stay in place longer, giving you more time to adjust the film's position during installation. It also helps prevent issues like stop lines that can occur when the slip solution runs out too quickly. However, even when using only slip tack, you can still achieve a smooth installation by spraying additional solution on areas where needed. A great solution leads to great results. STEK specialized products ensure safer and more flawless outcomes.